Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a really crucial accessory for anyone using the TASCAM DP-004C portable 4-track digital pocket studio recorder. We're talking about the 5FT USB data PC cable cord lead from Dysead, specifically designed to be compatible with that fantastic little recorder. Now, when you're working with digital audio, having a reliable connection to transfer your tracks is absolutely non-negotiable. This particular cable is a Mini B USB 2 data cable, which is exactly what the DP-004C needs. At 5 feet long, it offers a good amount of flexibility, allowing you to connect your TASCAM to your computer without having to rearrange your entire workspace. It's not too short to be restrictive, and not so long that it becomes a tangled mess. One of the standout features that really instills confidence with this Dysead cable is its commitment to quality and safety. The product description highlights that it comes with international quality certification, ensuring it meets top industry standards. This isn't just marketing fluff. It means the cable incorporates numerous safety mechanisms. We're talking about protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. For sensitive equipment like a digital recorder, or even just your computer, these protections are incredibly important. It gives you peace of mind knowing your devices are safe during data transfer or charging, if applicable. While its primary focus here is the TASCAM DP-004C, it's worth noting that this Mini B USB 2 cable is also a versatile tool for other devices. It's compatible with a range of electronics that use the Mini B connector, such as older digital cameras, some external hard drives, and various home and office appliances. So, even if you're not always using it with your TASCAM, it's a handy cable to have around for general data transfer needs between your laptop or PC and other compatible devices. The Dysead brand emphasizes high quality, and what you get is straightforward. One pack of this high-quality Mini B USB 2 data cable. There are no unnecessary frills, just a robust and reliable cable designed to do its job effectively. For anyone looking to ensure seamless data transfer from their TASCAM DP-004C to their computer for editing or archiving, this Dysead cable appears to be a solid, dependable choice. Its build quality and safety features make it a worthwhile investment for protecting your valuable equipment and ensuring your creative workflow remains uninterrupted. It truly seems like an essential piece of kit for any DP-004C owner.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.